Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, assistant teacher of science, National Adult English Version School, Leadership. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on competency based question answer, which is belongs to chapter 10. The name of the chapter is Information in Our Life. So let us move for today's topic. Yesterday or in our previous class we already discussed about the 3 CBQ. Today we will start from CBQ number 4. The first question is, information sharing is an activity. What will happen to our life without information sharing? The answer is, if any disease like flu goes around in our country and we do not know or share the information, then it will not be possible to reduce the risk of that flu. If we are not informed about an upcoming tidal upsurge forecast by the meteorologist, then lives and assets or many coastal people can't be saved. So information sharing is important, without which life will be impossible to lead. Now come to question number 5. You want to share the information you collect with your friends who live in Japan. What are the ways by which you can share the information with him? What type of technology will you need? Question answer is, in this 21st century, sharing information is not a difficult task. There are many technologies which can be used for this. Here I am in Bangladesh to share the information that I have collected with my friend who live in Japan is very easy task. I can send a message from my mobile phone to him or her. I also can call him. If both of us have email address, I can also mail my friend through the internet. For present day, the best way to share my information with my friend is the social networking media Facebook. So the technologies needed to do this are mobile phone and computer. Now come to next question. Write the use of internet in 2 sentences. Write 3 ways of storing information. The answer is, the use of internet are: first one, collecting information; second one, exchanging information. 3 ways of storing information are: first one, by writing on paper; second one, by taking photo or recording video; third one, by storing in pen drive, CD, VCD, memory card, etc. Now come to next question. You come to know about the epidemic of dengue fever from newspaper and television. How will this information help you? What can be protected by getting information shared in the mentioned way? The answer is, this information will help me lessen the possibility of being affected by dengue. By getting this information, we can take preventive measures and remain safe from this infectious disease. Sometimes the mass media share information about tidal and upsurge in the coastal areas, and as a result human life and property can be saved. Moreover, national properties can be saved by taking steamers and trawlers to a safe place. Now come to question number 8. Rohan uses media to exchange information. What are these media called in a word? Write down 3 media used by Rohan. Write down which task Rohan can do easily by using these media. The answer is, the media used by Rohan to exchange information are called ICT in a word. 3 media used by Rohan are computer, internet, email. By using ICT, Rohan can easily store, exchange and spread information. Now come to question number 9. Jannat follows some particular steps to collect information from news computer network. What is the name of this network that Jannat uses? Write down 2 steps of collecting information from this network. The answer is the computer network used by Jannat is to collect information is called internet. 2 steps of collecting information from internet are: first one, using search engines such as Google, Yahoo or Pipilika. Second one, typing keywords relevant to the topic one is searching for on the search bar and click search or press the enter key on the keyboard. Now come to question number 10. A cyclone is going to strike Bangladesh. You get the mentioned information from television. What will you do now? Explain how and why you will do that. The answer is, if I come to know the above mentioned information from television, I will of course share it with others as far as possible. That is, I will exchange the information. To do so, I will take help of telephone, SMS, Facebook, Twitter, email, internet, etc. I will share the information with others so that they can reduce their damages from the cyclone. As a consequence, people's lives and properties will be saved. The last question is, how to exchange information using technology? Give 5 examples. The answer is, nowadays information is exchanged using various technologies mentioned below. First one, news and views can be exchanged by using telephone. Second one, news and views can be exchanged by using cell or mobile phone. Now third one, important information in the form of picture, figure, diagram, text, etc. can be exchanged through fax. Fourth one, important and confidential information can be exchanged by using internet with the help of mobile phone. Last one, information of any kind can be exchanged using internet with the help of computer. Dear student, this is your homework number 8. You have to write CBQ number 6 answer as your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic, and you have to learn all this question answer, and you have to do the SW regularly and submit it regularly on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.